Hello and welcome. Today I'm here with YesWelder's DP200 dual pulse MIG welder. This was one of the most innovative machines YesWelder has put out. However, they didn't stop innovating. There is a new version and an update for this machine, bringing some new excellent features to those of you that own this machine. So what we're going to do today is we're going to update it to the newest version and then talk about what the features are. And then at the end, we're going to do a little welding. So stick around. When new versions come out and the machines need to be upgraded, YesWelder makes it super easy to do so. All you're going to need is a USB flash drive right here, and then depending on what computer you have, I have a Mac, so I need the dongle to get to the Mac from that, and all you're going to do is go to the YesWelder website, download the update to the USB drive, and then we're going to plug it into the machine, which will automatically update the machine. To access the upgrade port, we're going to open the side cover here, and then it is located right here, USB Type-C. And basically we're just gonna plug it in with the machine off. One of the newest features on this update for the DP200 is the 240 volt enhanced MIG welding. Now you can run 035 aluminum wire for greater versatility. They've also updated their welding parameters optimization for improved welding results. For you stainless steel MIG welders out there, they have now added support for you, allowing the machine to run a blend of argon and CO2, allowing you to do that stainless steel weld with the proper shielding gas that you need. If you like welding pulse MIG on thinner materials, this update now supports running down to 030 wire, so you can get down to those lower amperages, smaller wire, and do those critical thinner welds. In the settings menu, we have two new features, one being memory save page optimization. We have improved logic for recalling saved parameters under different voltage conditions and help page improvements, better content layout, clearer guidance, really there to help you out, get you back if you do run into issues. There's now also an updated factory reset, so let's say you save a bunch of parameters and you're kind of going a different direction with your welding, you can reset this to factory settings by pushing voltage and back button to restore the factory defaults. Now before we get into two of the most exciting features on this update, there was one last one, and that is a safety feature. It is a voltage display and low voltage warning. This shows your real-time input voltage and alerts the user when low voltage may affect performance. Let's get into those two new features out of all of these that I'm the most excited about, and the first one is the manual adjustment mode. Using the new manual adjustment mode, you can hold the function knob to switch into manual mode, which allows the welder to separate the adjustment of wire feed speed and voltage. They're no longer tied together. If you like them tied together, where it's kind of using that smart mode to get your settings closer to where they should be, that's great, you can do that. But for some of those more experienced welders that they've spent that time getting their settings dialed in and they really like that setting, this allows you to dial that setting in on the DP200. Now to the most exciting new feature on the DP200 upgrade, that is the 120 volt pulse MIG. For those of you that don't have a 240 outlet and you're running the machine on 120, you can now pulse MIG on carbon steel, aluminum, and stainless steel using 035 wire. So we're going to dial that in and we're going to rip some welds. So there you have it, folks, all the great features of the new update of the DP200. If you do have a DP200 and you have not yet updated it, hop on YesWelder.com to make that happen. If you don't have a DP200, we highly recommend you hopping on YesWelder.com to check out all the features this machine holds, and which is now, with the new update, even more. So that's all for today, folks. So until next time, enjoy welding with YesWelder.